Hello everyone. It's me again. It's been quite a while since I last um, took a video. Honestly, some, I've done a few recordings, no? However, I didn't really like the output of the video. I think I positioned the mic wrong and could barely hear anything, so here am I trying to get another video. Hopefully this is way better than my previous attempts. And as usual, I am on my way to the office. No, I've been quite busy this past few months or weeks, I would say. And it also got me thinking of what to talk about here on my channel. And there's this one topic that I should have started with ever since the start. Because my first video was about how to register your motorcycles, and well, that would make sense, right? If you wanna get a motorcycle, you'd have to register it, or especially if it's I don't know, if it's secondhand. So I think that was good information, and then I suppose I should have started with this one, which is um, should you get a motorcycle? No, oh my God! If you can see the pulley truck, I can smell it from this distance, so not ideal. I'll try to overtake this one first before I start talking. Oh, the smell is getting worse. Woo! One disadvantage of having a motorcycle. That one. Being right behind a poultry truck. May it be pig or chicken. Smells the same. It's all bad. Oh, I need a breather for that. Anyways, let's go back to the topic, which is sorry for the delay. Should you get a motorcycle? Let's start off with a couple few facts or things that you should consider. Um, where you're located, budget, and what's the use of the motorcycle now. Because I think the most important thing that you really have to ask is, do you actually need the motorcycle? If you don't have any mode of transport, no. I think the most common answer will be yes. Um, Motorcycles are really convenient, no, convenient ways to travel, especially if you're in the city where it's getting more traffic, no. There is an increasing number of cars, and well, the road stays the same. uh, there are barely any no, upgrades done to roads, so getting a motorcycle would make sense. So one of the biggest pros of getting a motorcycle, especially when you're in the city, is because of traffic. So that's one. Another thing is that um, if you no, if you commute every day, especially if it takes two or more rides to different public transport to reach your destination, then I would highly suggest to get a motorcycle. Okay? It's not a secret that the public transport here in Philippines is not ideal. It's not ideal at all. Uh, a average scooter would probably get you around 30 plus kilometers per liter, and usually the distance to your office is around 15. So 1 liter of fuel will already net you quite a few trips. So Uh, I think riding a motorcycle will also be cheaper, especially if you have to do multiple stops because your or the jeep or the public transport you're riding is not the route is not directly to the destination you wanna go. Another thing is that especially if you wanna go out on the weekends, those kinds of trips, um, riding the public transport can really be very tiring, no? So convenience really is one of the best factors why I would choose, or I would say you should get a motorcycle. It's really because of the convenience. The only problem is with rain, no? I think that's one of the biggest problem riding a motorcycle would have is to deal with rain. However, if you get those scooter types and types of motorcycle where um, you have a pretty large U-box, you won't have a problem storing raincoats, no? There are ways naman to alleviate those kinds of problems. As long as you're not that picky, lots of ways to solve it. Uh, I guess those two are really the biggest benefit. Of course, if you have the budget to buy a car, that would be more ideal, I suppose, because you can do more with a car than a motorcycle. Let's be honest. It's just that cars are way expensive, right? And if you're like me, no, um, just starting out, uh, someone without, I don't know, generational wealth, not everyone can really afford to buy or pay in order to get a car. I'm not sure what the cheapest is, but I'm one thing's for sure, it's almost a million. And compared to a motorcycle, you could actually get a scooter for what? 90,000, something like that. If you're not picky, you could actually get some motorcycles for way cheaper. Um, of course, there is brand value, but it still is way cheaper than getting a car. So financial stuff would always factor too, no? The other con I would say on riding a motorcycle is its safety, no? I will not argue you're riding on two wheels, whether it's your fault or not, it's always gonna be dangerous for the rider, no? So if ever you get a motorcycle, kindly keep that in mind. You're not Superman, and also be considerate to other motorcycle drivers, no? Quite a lot of them uh, really drive like crazy, I would say. It's as if they are immune. Matter of fact, I saw a accident a couple days ago. It did not end well for the driver. I actually caught it in camera. However, I really don't feel comfortable in sharing that kinds of images or videos. It's not something that would scare me, no, on riding a motorcycle, but it's a good reminder that we should always be safe in the road, no? Always be aware of our surroundings, because we really cannot control how other people act. So might as well um, take it upon yourself to do defensive driving. No? Helps a lot. So there's that. I think that's also one of the biggest cons. That safety. It's because you're in two wheels. No? There's no sheet of metal around you to protect you. So, yeah, yeah. Always be careful. So that's my pros and cons, no? If you're gonna buy a motorcycle, um, let's talk about the type of motorcycle you will get next time. But first, you really have to think of why you're getting a motorcycle and why you need it. Of course, the type will factor a lot now. Their prices are quite different. Their uses are quite different. So take that into consideration too. And also, always keep in mind, you're in two wheels and you're not immune to anything. So safety is not that high in the list, I would say. So I think that's about it now. Especially if you're in the city, I think you should really get a motorcycle. Its top selling point will be convenience on a bright sunny weather like this on a city. Motorcycles are highly valuable and it's a way cheaper mode of transport. So that's it. Thanks for listening. See you guys next time. Let's talk about what kind of motorcycle you should get. So tune in and see you. Oh, that's a really cute car.